What's the best Jamaican restaurant in the Miami area? We asked you this question and more. Here are the results of the Best of Jamaica 2022 in the Miami area.
Now I'm gonna jump back over to my home and I'm gonna take you down to Miami. So we asked, what is the best local Jamaican patty shop slash bakery? And you said two restaurants, the Patty Place and Taste Right Miami. So congratulations. I can vouch for Taste Right. Taste Right tell the best callaloo patty. Mwah, chef's kiss. All right, so then we asked, where is the best place to buy Jamaican groceries? And you said FA&M, West Indian, and American Grocery. So congratulations to those two winners there. We asked, what is the best local Jamaican restaurant? And you said Jamaica Kitchen. So congratulations to you there. And then we asked, the best Jamaican slash Caribbean event you attended this year. And that was the Broward Carnival. So congratulations to all our winners in Miami.
So you've been to the Miami Broward Carnival?
Absolutely.
Were you there this year?
Absolutely. I was a section leader for Generation X, the best band ever.
So Generation X to get a plug.
Best band. And actually, they're going to Jamaica, so I will be going to Jamaica with Generation X. So we're moving Miami to Jamaica, so let's see what happens there.